More winter. More winter. It is 9:30 Wednesday morning. And it's winter again. Time to eat some dinner. Pizza rolls. Arrange 6 rolls in a circle on microwavable plate. Yeah, right. 6 pizza rolls on a microwavable safe plate. That looks about right. While those are cooking, finally got rid of the van. Guy came today. Came and took it away for me. Gave me $360 for it. Not bad for a junker. I was supposed to go see Amy Schumer at UB Center for the Arts today with my friend Brandon. We went to see 300 the other night. But because we're in the second blizzard of 2014, they had to cancel and reschedule. So tonight's just a pizza roll kind of night. Can't really drive anywhere because there's so much snow. We had no snow this morning. And now we have a lot of snow. Not really the greatest thing right now. Oh my gosh, almost there. Yep, I'm ready. Ready for Nikki to be home. She gets home tomorrow night. It's the last night without her. And then Friday, it's ready. Friday, we go to Alexandria Bay for the New York State Women's Hockey Tournament for the state championships. Really excited about that. They're ready. So excited. Until next time.